How to make $500 a month renting out stuff you already own. Hook. 0 to 5 seconds. You've got stuff sitting in your garage, closet, and basement that's literally making you $0. But I'm about to show you how to turn that dead weight into $500 a month. Completely passive. And honestly, you probably already have the most profitable items sitting in your home right now. Intro. Hey, welcome back. If you're new here, we break down real money moves that actually work for regular people. So stick around because the 3 rental strategies I'm about to share have made my friends and subscribers real money this year. Part 1. The high-ticket items. 2 to 3 minutes. Let's start with the stuff that makes serious cash fast. Parking spaces. If you live anywhere near a city, and I mean anywhere, you're sitting on gold. A single parking space in urban areas rents for $200 to $400 monthly. I know someone in San Francisco listing through Spot Hero making $600 a month from a space they weren't using. Even in mid-tier cities like Austin or Denver, you're looking at $150 to $300. The setup takes literally 10 minutes. You download an app, upload photos, set your price, and boom, passive income hits your bank account. Storage space. This one's wild because most people have garage space they never think about monetizing. Your extra garage bay, storage shed, or basement corner can rent through Neighbor for $100 to $300 monthly depending on location. Someone in my network is renting half their garage to a small business for $250 a month. They literally just cleared out their junk and now money shows up in their account. Neighbor handles the insurance, the screening, everything. You just rent the space. Part 1. Quick math. That's potentially $400 to $700 monthly from just 2 items you haven't moved anything yet. Part 2. The mid-range earners. 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's talk about the items almost every single person owns. Tools and equipment. Power drills, pressure washers, ladder sets, camping gear. These rent constantly. Through Fat Llama or Neighbor, you can rent a quality drill for $20 to $30 per weekend rental. A pressure washer? $50 to $70. Here's the math. If you rent that drill just twice a month, that's $60. A pressure washer twice monthly is $140. Add in a ladder set and camping equipment, and you're easily hitting $200 per month from tools alone. The best part? Stuff that's just sitting there costs you $0. It's literally free money with a liability waiver. Electronics and camera gear. Got a nice camera, drone, or gaming console you use sporadically? Rent it out. A GoPro rents for $15 to $25 daily through Fat Llama. A decent DSLR or mirrorless camera. $70 to $120 per day. Here's the reality. If you rent camera equipment just 4 times monthly, you're clearing $120 to $400 depending on what you own. Party and event supplies. Tables, chairs, coolers, projectors, sound equipment. People rent this stuff constantly. You can easily make $50 to $100 per event rental. If you host 3 events monthly on your rental, that's $150 to $300 right there. Some people literally just rent nice serving dishes and decor. It sounds small, but it compounds fast. Part 3. The passive winners. 1 to 2 minutes. The easiest category requires almost 0 effort. Car rental. Using Turo. You can rent your car when you're not using it. A mid-range sedan makes $3,000 to $8,000 annually. That breaks down to $250 to $600 monthly. A popular Toyota Camry in a decent market? You're hitting $500 to $700 monthly with minimal effort. Clothing rental. If you have designer bags, dresses, or trendy clothes you don't wear constantly, rent them through Rent the Runway or Rebag. You'd be shocked what people pay. A designer handbag rents for $40 to $80 monthly. Multiple pieces? That's another $100 to $200 passive income. Real numbers. Let me put this together for you. Parking space, $300. Tools, $200. Camera gear, $150. Car rental, $400. That's $1,150 monthly from stuff you already own. Even if you hit just $500 like the title says, you're looking at $6,000 per year with zero new investment. The strategy that works. Start with whichever one takes least effort. Don't overwhelm yourself trying to rent everything immediately. Pick 2 items this week. Get them listed. And watch the money start flowing. CTA. If this helped you see your stuff differently, like this video and subscribe. We drop money-making strategies every single week that actually work. Hit that notification bell so you never miss when we go live. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.